10,000 people in Utah have a deadly disease and don't even know it. A study by Intermountain Medical Center shows hepatitis C is the #1 reason why people need liver transplants. In our continued partnership with Intermountain Medical Center, we take a closer look at this silent killer and the treatment now available to cure it.
Only tests in my life I ever failed were those, Hep C.
Lisa Schumacher contracted hepatitis C 30 years ago. She had no idea she had it because she didn't have any symptoms.
By the time your skin or eyes turn yellow, if you have other symptoms like vomiting and blood, things that make anyone realize they're sick, those things happen very late in the course of this illness.
Those signs mean it's already starting to affect your liver.
Scarring makes it hard for blood to come in through the liver.
That's why Intermountain Medical Center Liver Transplant Program Director Dr. Michael Charlton says take the simple test to detect hepatitis C now, especially if you fall into one of these categories. You were in the armed forces, you were born between 1945 and 1965, or you use recreational drugs.
You don't need a symptom, and you even don't need a risk factor.
That may be the reason why half of the people in the U.S. who have hepatitis C don't know it.
That was just a random thing that they found out that my liver levels were elevated, and so then there was a series of other tests, and the news just kept getting worse and worse.
Instead of a nice smooth surface, you have this sort of bumpy appearance to the liver.
Sclerosis leads to liver cancer, so Schumacher needed a liver transplant to keep living.
Actually had a pretty rough recovery. But doing a lot better now.
But before the disease attacks your liver, you have to catch it early. And unlike treatments from the 80s and 90s, now doctors have a simple cure.
Now we have a treatment that's one pill once a day will cure considerably more than 95%.
Schumacher says she'll be forever grateful for getting the gift of life. Her hope is that more people will become donors because hepatitis C doesn't show symptoms until it's done major damage. We posted a link to more information from Intermountain Medical Center at goodforutah.com.